Hi friends, most of the UPSC aspirant they know the fact that in UPSC prelims examination most of the questions coming from Indian polity comes from this book Indian Polity M Lakshmikant. This is the best source for Indian polity and you can solve most of the questions using this book. But very few aspirants know the fact that you need not read the entire book. Why? Because 80% of the questions coming from Indian polity are only coming from 20% of the chapters from this book. This book has more than 70 chapters. You need not read all these 70 chapters. You need to focus on the most important chapters from the Indian polity M. Lakshmikant book. Today I am going to give you those important chapters. These chapters I have selected by doing a PYQ analysis and weightage analysis of last 25 years of UPSC question. You can see this book has around 10 units and more than 70 chapters. But you can see from this graph that more than 50% of the questions are coming from only 3 units. So which are these units? Why these units are important? What kind of questions are coming from this unit? I'm going to tell you guys. If you are preparing for prelims 2026 and if you have started revision, please go through these important chapters properly. There are some chapters which you need to read multiple times because many questions are coming from these chapters. I'll be highlighting those chapters also. Let us start. So guys, you can see part 1 of this book, which is constitutional framework. Okay, so in this you can see here basic concepts of constitutions are given. Here you can see there are some chapters where questions are coming very often. You can see historical backgrounds. Multiple questions are coming from historical background. You can see some of the PYQs. Recently only UPSC has been asking a lot of questions from this. Here you can focus more on 1935 Act, then 1919 Act, 1909 Act, then 1853, 1858, 1830 and 1833. These are the acts which are being asked more number of times. Next, making of constitution. Here guys, constituent assembly is important. You can see UPSC has asked questions on constituent assembly. Okay, next guys, salient features of constitution. This is also very important. Every 2-3 years you have a question on basic idea about some of the features of constitution. For example, federal features, then independence of judiciary, then you have questions on key terms of the constitution like democracy, then we have secularism, okay, federalism. Next guys, the most important chapter out of this is the preamble chapter. Multiple questions are coming from preamble chapter. This is the most important chapter guys. Preamble is the soul of the constitution, so kindly read the preamble chapter multiple times. Okay, next is union and its territories and citizenship. Generally, questions do not come from this chapter, but because of recent controversy related to citizenship, you can expect a question coming from the citizenship chapter. Need not read each and every details of this chapter. Focus more on the recent development and basics of citizenship, which are the important constitutional provisions regarding citizenship. Next, guys, the most important chapter is the fundamental right, DPSP, and fundamental duties. Guys, let me tell you, out of these three chapters, definitely two questions come every year. One question from fundamental right and one question either from DPSP or fundamental duty. So guys, please do read these three chapters very minutely because every year questions are coming from this. Next guys, basic structure and the amendment to the constitution. These two chapters, again one question every year. So guys, let me just give you an idea. So if you see 15 questions are coming in Indian polity, 5 questions are coming from just one unit. Again I repeat, there are more than 10 units in this book, and out of this 10 units, 30% of the questions are coming from only one unit, unit 1. So everyone, please read unit 1 multiple number of times. And one more thing, most of the questions coming from unit 1 is easy question guys. Don't leave this. Okay, so guys, one more thing I would like to tell you before we move forward. This is my Telegram channel. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, do join my Telegram channel. I'll be giving a lot of predictions, lot of PYQs in my Telegram channel. So do join. Okay, next guys, if you see here, then comes the unit 2. Then comes the unit 2, federalism. Okay, so here what you do, okay, what I have done is that part 2, what I have done is that I have linked part 2, then part 6, then part 4. Okay, so this is I have created part 2, which is federalism. Here what you do, Okay, add these three, read these three together, read these three units together. Here, guys, if you see part two, systems of government, we have parliamentary system, federal system, center state system, interstate system, emergency provision. Out of these 4 or 5 chapters, emergency provision is very important, center state is very important, federal system is very important. These three chapters are very important. Please do read these three chapters. Next, guys, special provisions of some states, just read article 371 and 371 various provision, 371 a b c d. Okay, next, schedule areas and tribal areas, again a very important topic. Recently even union territories are also very important. Okay, so these are some of the important chapters which you need to focus. One question, again I repeat, one question definitely comes from this. One question. Generally questions come from the federal feature, maybe on the finance commission, maybe on the center state relation as far as legislative executive concerned. Okay, or it can also ask about emergency provision. This year emergency provision is very important. You can expect a question on emergency provision. Next, guys, you can see how questions have been coming from this. You can see here. Okay, list. Okay, union list, concurrent list, state list. Okay, this is again very important. You have a question coming from this. Okay, so guys, if you want to practice static questions from this, you can join our Lakshya test series. You can see here I have covered all the possible questions which are static and which are on repeated topics in my static test of the Lakshya test series. Okay, next, the most important like part is the parliament part. Okay, so you can see here when I was showing you. Okay, these are the two regions where 33% of the questions are coming. Now you can see parliament part. My majority of the questions are coming from the parliament chapter. So this is one chapter you have to read in depth. Okay, here you can see here we have the parliament chapter, we have the state legislature, and we have the parliamentary committees. So here I would like to tell you one question from parliamentary committee every year is coming. Then mostly questions are coming from the parliament rather than the state legislature. UPSC is not asking question from the state legislature, but they can ask. Okay, but focus more on the parliament. In the parliament, focus on the election of the Raj Sabha, then special powers of the Raj Sabha, sessions of parliament, then the role of speaker is very important. Speaker is very important. Then guys, money bill and budget. Money bill and budget, again very important. Okay, privileges of the parliamentarians. Okay, budget is one topic which is coming year over and again and again and again. Okay, so budget, money bill. Okay, then sessions of parliament, then the speaker, presiding officer, deputy speaker. This is the favorite theme in the parliament. One committee comes every year. This year I am thinking estimates committee and joint parliamentary committee and PAC. Okay, public accounts committee. These are the three committees which you need to prepare. Okay, so again, out of these chapters like chapter 22, 23, 24, 25, then 33, out of these chapters, focus on this chapter more, then focus on parliamentary committees. Okay, now comes the executive. In executive, guys, questions are mainly coming from the president, then vice president, and then the governor. Okay, first preference should be given to president, then the governor, because governor questions are also becoming very frequent in UPSC prelims examination, and then the vice president. This year vice president is important. You can expect question on vice president. So focus on these three chapters more. Next, guys, you can see questions, how questions are coming on governor and president. Then you can see president election also questions have been coming in the recent years. Guys, like this, I'm predicting important questions for UPSC prelims examination 2026. You can get this question, telegram me on this number. Moving on, guys, then comes the constitutional and statutory bodies. In constitutional bodies, guys, you can see questions are focused more on UPSC, election commission. Then we have questions on comptroller, auditor general. Then attorney general questions are also very popular in prelims examination. But here questions are not too deep. Okay, so do not prepare very deep. But this year, since UPSC has 100 years, then election commission is also in news. So you may expect questions which are either dedicated on only one constitutional bodies, or they can give you the list of constitutional bodies and they can ask you how many of them are constitutional or how many of them are statutory. Again, you can see here questions on, okay, statutory and extra constitutional bodies. Okay, you may get question on any of this. You can see last year they have asked question on the Lokpal. Okay, so dedicated questions are also very popular in the prelims exam. You can see this question on CAG, this question on Lokpal. Okay, so prepare those bodies which are in news. Okay, for this year, For example, you may expect question on NIA. You can expect question on Disaster Management Authority. You can expect question on Central Information Commission. So every year you see some bodies which are in news in the current affairs, focus on those important bodies. Do not read each and every body in detail. That is not important. Last year Lokpal was in news, so they asked a question on Lokpal. Next, guys, local government. This is also a very important chapter. Every year, at least one question on local bodies. Here, the focus should be on the evolution of Panchayati Raj. Next, 73rd Amendment and 74th Amendment. Next, compulsory and voluntary provision. Next, PESA. This year, PESA, I am predicting question on PESA. Please do prepare PESA. And last but not the least is the finances of local bodies, panchayats and the urban local bodies. Next, guys, elections. This section is becoming very important in recent years. Here, you should prepare the election commission, then political parties, type of political parties, what are the various kind of okay, national parties criteria, the state parties criteria, then electoral laws. Electoral laws are also becoming very important. This year there is a controversy regarding SIR, so you may expect question from this. So do not prepare all these chapters. Okay, do not prepare all these chapters. Just focus on political parties, then elections, election laws. Okay, these three chapters are important. These three chapters are more important. And then comes last, okay, which is miscellaneous topics. This is not that important. Just read cooperative societies because this is in news for last 1 or 2 years. So you may expect question on cooperative societies. So just to sum up, okay, just to sum up, let me just tell you which are the most important chapters again. Okay, so starting from the unit one, you have preamble, then you have salient features, then you have fundamental rights, then you have DPSP, then you have fundamental duties, then you have amendment and basic structure. Then moving on, you have federal system, center-state relation, emergency provision, schedule areas, tribal areas. Next, moving on, parliament. This chapter is very important. Parliamentary committee. Next, moving on, president, governor, and vice president. Next, moving on, constitutional bodies. Focus more on constitutional bodies. In constitutional bodies, okay, just focus on those bodies which are in news. Next, statutory bodies, executive bodies. Here also focus on those bodies which are in news. And then guys, elections and Panchayat Raj. Panchayati Raj also one question is important. Every year one question will come. So please do read Panchayati Raj. Focus more on PESA this year and finances of panchayats and urban local bodies. That is, I think, more important. So like this, guys, focus on important chapters. I hope this session was useful. Please do consider giving a like to this stream and do join my Telegram channel and subscribe to this YouTube channel.